What is Cross Country Academy, you ask? Duh, it's the most fun event of the year. It's an awesome time to come get some of the best clinicking from some of the best instructors in the country.
We hold it every year and get as many instructors from around the country to get together, share ideas, ski together, have a lot of fun, and really get excited for the coming season.
You'll get some good tips for how to improve your efficiency or whatever your goals are in your own skiing for this year, and get some time on snow with some awesome coaches. But hopefully you'll meet some new besties too.
People come away energized and enthusiastic about the coming season. There's no better way to get excited about teaching and skiing than getting together with a bunch of like-minded people, sharing ideas, and having a whole lot of fun.
Cross-country skiing makes you feel good when you do it. The uphill, the downhill, the science of waxing and having to figure that all out, and also that you improve on it every single year and there's always room for improvement. It's just fun being able to do that and slide and be able to do it with people that you enjoy.
And what's fun about it is the better you get at it, the more you realize there is to learn. And so it's one of these activities that you never stop learning. Whether it's learning to race better, whether it's learning to just go out and ski better, have more fun, teach people how to ski better. It's just a constant journey of challenge. And the people are great. It's an eclectic group of people, but what we share is we all love exercising in the wintertime, getting out, moving around, having a good time with friends and family. And it's just a great community that really supports each other and wants to share ideas. And that's not unique to PSIA. I think that's cross-country skiers generally.
Doesn't that make you excited to go sign up for XC Academy and join us? You can go do it in the events calendar. Go sign up. Right now. Yeah, right now. Yeah, I'll wait.